Good morning, my name is John Null and I work for Wattstopper, and I'm going to show you the architectural dimming system that is a Wattstopper branded product. So first we start with this panel. This is the LCAP. It stands for Lighting Control and Automation panel. So here we're showing our SDM forward phase dimmer. It's 12 loads of forward phase, fully controllable, fully programmable in terms of the dimming curve and so on. Here we're showing our UDM, our new universal dimmer module, which does both forward and reverse phase. Once again, fully programmable, 8 outputs, and the dimming curve can be adjusted for each output. Here we're showing our relay module, so 8 relays. These are latching relay modules. And then here we're showing our processor, and this is really the brains of the system. It's an Ethernet connected device, has connectivity for RS-232, RS-485, can be remote programmed, remote controlled, and it allows for the full system control and third-party integration. The entire panel is UL 924 listed, so the entire panel can be emergency lighting or just individual loads or individual modules on emergency lighting loads. So this is controlled by a number of interfaces. So the first is just a low voltage keypad, and you can see here what we're showing is CCT lighting, so color control of the lighting. So here's a neutral color, here's more of a daylight color, and so on. Soft, which is a little bit warmer color. We can also do it in a much more comprehensive way using sliders and so on. So in this way, we're controlling it using a slider, picking the exact color temperature that we want. So this is a new feature that we have in our panels. As well, we're showing a unique feature of the touchscreen to do divide and combine programming as well when you want to combine rooms or divide rooms into discrete control zones. The other part of the integration that we're showing here is the integration with our shades. So the recent acquisition of Legrand is QMotion Shades. So we're showing how we can control the shades at preset levels and so on. But over here in this touchscreen, we're showing we can even drive even deeper and control individual shades. So we can control the blackout shades, or we can control the exterior shades independently. In addition, QMotion has some unique features that allows us to get bidirectional feedback. So for instance, when I pull this down, I can see it responding on the touchscreen to the exact level of the shade and so on. The shade itself also can be manually operated, as you can see, which is a unique feature in the shading industry. So I can manually operate it and allow it to go to a preset or to an end state using just the shade itself, or controlling it from the touchscreen again. So once again, this integration allows us to add in daylight and motion sensors so that daylight, time of day, and so on can also manage the shades from the lighting control system. Okay, so in this section we're showing our ability to control DMX or colored lighting. So our DMX controller is an Ethernet connected device. It's a full universe of DMX control. And you can see that it's fully integrated with our touchscreen. So I can change lighting here as a preset, or I can also control it using a color wheel here, or presets from here. So we have preset control, we have color wheel control, and so on of a full universe of DMX. The DMX device is also interesting in the fact that it's a bidirectional interface. So for instance, a show controller can send commands back to the lighting control system to control the house lights or other common area lights and so on. So you can see from various touchscreens, various interfaces, we can control the DMX lighting. Over here, we're showing one of our controllers, one of our processors, that's connected to the LMDI 100. The LMDI 100 is the interface to the DLM system over here. So over RS-232, we can control DLM systems, Wattstopper DLM, or Wattstopper can send commands back to the lighting architectural dimming system to complement the control. So here we're controlling DLM from the DLM keypads, or we're controlling them from here, from the architectural dimming keypads. So once again, control of both color lighting and also of DLM lighting control system. Thank you for visiting us at the architectural dimming section of the Wattstopper booth. So the key benefits of the architectural dimming system are the dimming capability of all lighting loads. So any kind of lighting load from DMX to forward and reverse phase we can control. In addition, our unique interfaces allow for control of the lighting as well as third-party devices. So we can integrate with third-party devices, third-party systems, and combine them all in our touchscreen onto our lighting control system. For more information, visit at wattstopper.com or talk to one of our representatives.